Are you ready to do some spring cleaning again this week? Well, let's get this done. Let's do this. Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. This is week 3 of my Clean With Me series. We are in one of my favorite spots in my home, in the kitchen. And I am ready to get some things done in here. Now, my kitchen is, I have some things sitting around and I need to do a few things, but I have my cleaning caddy here. I have my oak cedar mop, a dusting mop, so I'm ready to get started. So we're just gonna jump right in. All right, I'm letting you see what is happening here in my kitchen. I have some things on the island, like my shopping bags. They need to go to the car. I have one shopping bag filled with things that need to go upstairs, so I need to take that upstairs before I take the rest of them to the car. I want to wipe down my cabinets. I have things to put away over there. I have a door down there. I have so many items in there, it will not shut. Straighten that out so I can put things away. And you see I have some sitting on the counter as well that I purchased for the coronavirus prep. I'm gonna let go of my red for the season. I got questioned, could you use red for spring? And my reply was, you can use whatever you want for spring. It's up to you. If you like it, use it. I did it one year. But this year I am going to put it away. I have items here to put away as well, so we're gonna get started. First things first, I'm gonna run these items upstairs and then come and take these bags to my car. So I'll have them out the way and they'll be in the car ready for my next shopping trip. Make some fresh water in my sink. Adding a few drops of bleach as well. And I'm gonna change my dish towel to white. And I have some oven mitts and plus the dishcloth that needs to go in the laundry room to be washed. So I'm drinking coffee between cleaning and doing things. And I have one of my favorite mugs. I drink coffee for your protection, not mine, for you. So I'll be picking up this every once in a while here. But I like to move in my kitchen from one area to the next. Instead of jumping around, I just feel I get things done and move on, all right? So I'm gonna move my caddy to my island. Because that'll be the last thing I take care of, which is nothing on there now but a floral. These canisters here I'm gonna move to my pantry. My Pioneer Woman canisters, I'm moving them to my pantry. Yes, I could keep these out for spring, but this is not the color I'm going with for spring. Now with the little Dawn detergent and a little bleach that I put in in my sink, I'm gonna wipe down my cabinets and work my way down, okay? Paying attention to my light switches as well. It amazes me how dirty it gets around the knob. grime that I've gotten off just this one set of cabinets. All right. So I'm gonna move all the way around and then come back with the next thing that I'm gonna accomplish. All right. Because I do have a lot of cabinets to hit. All right, so I will be doing that. And then I'll show you the next step. Stay tuned. All right, guys, up top, I'm gonna change that later because there's some red up there, of course. But a tip I can give you is go to the Dollar Tree, get you some wax paper or some parchment paper. Once you clean up there, of course. Get your top of your cabinets clean and then lay this up here and then put your decor on top of it. So once it's time to clean again, all you really need to do, you may need to do a little minor wipe down, very little. But all you need to do is throw the parchment paper or wax paper away and put a fresh sheet down. Simple as that. I've been doing that for years. I love it, and I will be taking my red from up there down pretty soon. But right now, of course, I am going to take this valance down. I ordered a new one from Amazon that I'm going to put up, and yeah, I'm excited about it. So we're going to get that done as well. So I went to get my step ladder. I'm tall, but not that tall. This is something else I need to tackle, but I'm going to do all of my chandeliers and lighting at one time. Do all my fixtures at one time. So I'll be coming to you later with a light fixture cleaning. All right, and as you can see, I'm going for basic gray. You may say gray. Yes. Gray's not spring. Well, it will be when I'm finished with it. It's neutral to me. And there we go, a basic gray. Now this has a little strap on the back. I don't know if you can see that. Have a strap right here and a strap right here. I can kind of tuck and play with that. Let me see. And it has a little snap right here as well. I'm going to play around with that a little bit later, but you get the gist of it. It's gray. I'm trying to go a little neutral and then throw pops of color in this space. This window treatment is by Jen Chan, J-I-N, C-H-A-N, and I will have the link in my description box down below because they carry this valance in several colors, all right, in several colors. So I'll have it linked below. I figured out something was blocking the basket that I had on my door, which hindered it from closing all the way, and it really doesn't close all the way with that basket there. So now I'm gonna move on around. I'm gonna move this basket because by the time you see this corner will be, will have something else from a video that will post Monday night, all right? So last night, a video would have posted for the kitchen vignette challenge. So I'll iCard that so you can see what this corner will be like. But I'm clearing it right now so I can have a blank slate. As you can see here, I have a Lazy Susan here. I am going to purge this crock pot. I have so many crock pots. But I am going to purge that one. And I'm going to place my Pioneer Woman crock pot in its place. Nothing wrong with the crock pot, but I'm slowly but surely letting go of a few things, all right? I'll do this tonight because I'm doing this in the morning. I like to use this Weeman granite and stone. It's a clean, polish, and protect on my countertops. I do this every 6 months, all right? I do it right before the holidays because we do a lot of things during the holidays, so I want to protect that then. And I'm gonna do it now because we're coming up on Easter, all right? So yeah, I sprayed this on, buff it out, and that's it. It's simple. This cost $5 in Marshall's, but you can find it in your home improvement stores. You probably can find it in Walmart and Target as well. But this is a good product. All of their products are good. I'll vouch for that. All right. I'm going to concentrate on this. For right now, the mixer will not move. I'm going to keep it out because I'm planning on doing a little baking. This will go. This Christy gave me, and I put it out for decoration purposes only for right now. I haven't used it yet. So that will go back on my stove. I have my grandson's bibs that I need to put away. These need to go in the drawer of the stove, and I need to put this ice maker, and I have that linked above. I did a review on this. I need to put it away as well in my pantry, and then this will pretty much be taken care of. So pretty much my kitchen now is ready for me to decorate for spring, and I'm loving it. I love having a clean and clear slate to be able to decorate with. So let me tackle my island. It's pretty much clear. All I have is my cleaning caddy on it now. I removed the floral that I had on here. I'm gonna do my floors, sweep and mop, and I'm done. Now I have a stubborn little grout line stain right here. And what I'm gonna use there is some toilet cleaner on that grout line. Doesn't take much. I'm gonna let it sit for a minute or two, and I have a little brush that I'll use to scrub it, and it will be clean. Make sure you have a damp brush, and it comes right clean within minutes. Just like so. I'm using my old cedar mop. I can refill it with cleaner of my choice, which I love, and I just use the basic vinegar and hot water. Also another tip, I pre-treat if I have a few spots on my floor. I go around prior to mopping and use vinegar and water as well, so it'll loosen it up a bit, and then mop. That's it. And lastly, I'm going to follow up by taking my Lysol wipes with the coronavirus going on and wipe down different handles and things that I touch and my family touch. Such as my faucet, the handle on my range, the microwave handle, you know, different handles in the kitchen. Now you know what I'm about to ask, right? Are you doing some spring cleaning? Have you started? Let me know down in the comments section below. And do you have some tips and tricks up your sleeve that you'll be willing to share? I like to hear that too. So guys, I am done. I have wiped my cabinets or cleaned my cabinets. My countertops are clean. My floors are clean. I have a blank slate where I can decorate for spring. I've hung a different valance that I do need to steam. Did I accomplish everything that I wanted to do today? No. I have more on my to-do list to do in my kitchen, but I did accomplish a lot. Don't forget to check out the playlist, which will be in my description box down below, of some talented creators that are spring cleaning right along with me. We are getting things done in our home. The reason why I wanted to do this, for one, this will hold me accountable to getting things done in my home and to give me a little kick, right? And from the comments that I have received, it's doing the same for other people, y'all. Check out the playlist. You will gain some tips and tricks along the way. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to ring the bell so you'll be notified of all the videos that I upload. I can be followed on other social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and I have an Amazon store that you can shop at your leisure 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and look at some beautiful home decor and home essentials. If you are a returning Diva family member, I love you guys so much, and I am so blessed that you are a part of the Diva family. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day. Happy spring cleaning to everyone.